Christmas, let alone Halloween, when it's 80 degrees outside.
It feels like summer, Kim, and it looks at least one more relatively warm day coming up for tomorrow before reality sets in mid to late week. In the meantime, gorgeous out there right now. What time is it? Yeah, we're under an hour now from sunset, which is in about a half hour, and looking at Lincoln, 76 degrees. The northern suburbs, removed from any cooling influence of the ocean or the sea breeze, still milder. Get temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Some splashes of color with the foliage, though certainly nowhere near peak yet. As we take a look at Providence now, it's sunshine. Temperature has settled back now into the lower to middle 70s in the city itself. Currently around 75, 76 across interior sections. And we've cooled back with the sea breeze. Upper 60s to around 70 South Shore. New Bedford now coming in at 70. So beautiful for this evening. In fact, the entire night will stay quiet. The one thing we'll watch much later, maybe a little patchy fog along the South Shore. One more very mild day. I don't think we get to 80 degrees, but mid to upper 70s tomorrow. That's 10 degrees above average. Strong cold front arrives Wednesday morning with a widespread rain, which may be heavy at times. It'll certainly impact the morning commute on Wednesday. Though coming home Wednesday evening, it should be a lot drier. And then looking at very much cooler air both Thursday and on into Friday. Skies are clear all across New England. One reason why: high pressure anchored off the coastline right about there. Meanwhile, strong cold front still back through the Great Lakes. This is scheduled for coming through on Wednesday morning with a widespread rain. We'll get in real close and we'll kind of walk you through the forecast. We'll take you through the evening and overnight. And again, maybe a touch of fog along the coastline later tonight, very early tomorrow morning. But the general theme here is for very mild and dry conditions. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. It's already in the 60s, and we should top out mid to upper 70s with sunshine during the afternoon. Very late in the day, just before sunset, some extra clouds to start to filter in advance of this cold front, which comes through. Well, first of all, tomorrow night, 9 o'clock, we're still dry. And then here comes the front right on top of us on Wednesday morning. Bad timing here with some rain and some heavy downpours as well for the morning commute up until about 12 o'clock. And then notice very late in the afternoon on Wednesday, not only does it dry out, we could actually squeak out maybe an hour or two worth of sunshine before it sets very late in the day Wednesday evening. Wednesday night, dry, cooler, much cooler, and it sets the stage for dry but very cool weather. This is Thursday morning at 8 a.m., mid-40s. It'll only get to about 58 degrees on Thursday afternoon. So tomorrow morning, not bad. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog along the coastline. By 11 a.m., 73. And then during the afternoon, topping out mid and upper 70s. Any outdoor activities, it looks pretty good. Here's a snapshot of your high temps coming up for tomorrow. All right, 7-day forecast shows that rain, I would say, likely Wednesday morning through about 12 noon. It'll clear out late in the day, and it sets up for sharply cooler weather, but sunny and dry both Thursday and on into Friday. That 39 on Friday, that's your sunrise temperature Friday morning. Saturday looks good. I must admit, a lot of uncertainty with Sunday with a coastal storm. Does it come close enough? Right now, we have rain in the forecast for Sunday, but we're 6 days out. You know the drill. Check back with us.
We certainly will, Tony. Thank you. We have more coverage